Most people think getting mobile data in Romania is as simple as buying a SIM card at the airport, but the surprising truth is that eSIMs can save you time, money, and stress if you choose the right provider. I tested several eSIMs during my trip, focusing on coverage, speed, cost, and convenience. Here's what I found. Airlo's Romania eSIM was my top choice. It offers plans from 1 GB to 5 GB, with quick activation and reliable coverage in Bucharest, Cluj-Napoca, and other major cities. You won't believe what happens next. Even in smaller towns, the connection remains stable, which is a big advantage over some local SIMs that struggle outside cities. Holafly also offers Romania eSIMs, including unlimited data plans. Speeds are decent in cities, but during peak hours, throttling can reduce performance. If streaming or constant connectivity is essential, you might notice delays. Truphone provides global coverage with easy setup, but its data cost per GB is higher. It's ideal for business travelers who prioritize guaranteed service over budget. The surprising truth is that many travelers overpay for local SIMs or waste time queuing at shops. eSIMs can be activated instantly, often before you even land. Setup is as simple as scanning a QR code, installing the profile, and selecting a data plan. You can even keep your home SIM active for calls while using your eSIM for data. In conclusion, Airlo's Romania eSIM offers the best balance of speed, coverage, and price. Holafly is good for unlimited data needs, and Truphone is best for professionals who need global reliability. Subscribe for more travel tech tips and eSIM comparisons to make sure your next trip is hassle-free and connected.